Hello, it's Beachcams Man. Now I knew this thing was big, however, that is huge.
So the WaveWalker has been brought onto the project to act as our piling platform. So to build the foundations of the new seawall, we need to put steel rods into the ground, piles, to get down to the competent material below, and everything is then built up from those. The WaveWalker itself, it's an extremely specialised piece of kit, and it can walk around under its own power. It is a little bit on the slow side, but it gets to where we want it to be, and it gets us away from a lot of the snags with traditional kind of methods in this environment. 4 legs go down, lift the deck up out of the water, and then on the side of it, you can just about see it, there's rams that slide the deck across. Then the other 4 legs go down, and then they take the weight, they retract the previous legs, and it kind of does that kind of motion where it just crabs along. The speeds are about 20 metres every hour, so it's very, very slow. Each move is 4 metres at a time, and just because of the size and the weight of it, it's got to be slow, because if anything went wrong, it gives you a chance to stop it. The piling method that we've chosen is actually one of the quietest. It's a rotary pile system, so in essence it's drilling into the ground, but it's just kind of screwing the steel tubes into the ground instead of hammering out. So you've got a rotary motor spinning the piles at speed and pushing them down, so it's as quiet a piling as you can get, really. We do have noise monitors all around kind of the station and the car park and the local properties, and we've got an agreement in place with the council called the Section 61, which we've got to report all of our noise readings to the council to make sure we're not causing too much.